Time to get ready for the day. Now we're ready for the day. Today we're going to go and decorate our front room in spooky Halloween stuff. Spooky! Hi everyone, these are our Halloween decorations, so I'm going to go through them. So we have the skeleton with one arm. Creepy. And we got a Halloween duck, which is, ready for my name, but, ow. We just put it in there. We're going to give it to our baby. I don't know. And we have another skeleton. It has arms and stuff. A scary pumpkin. Look, so I can put my hand through here. And that's where we put the light. And then it will glow. Have some fake candles. Look, I'll show you. Doesn't work. But I think it needs new batteries. But we will put new batteries in there, but they can't turn on. We have a skull head. I think that's where we put the candle in the mouth. That's where we put it for working. And we've got a spider, which has no legs. It does have legs. It comes with these legs. It always comes with. I don't know why though. This can turn on again. Just doesn't work. We need to put new batteries in it for Halloween. We really need to put the spider back. But we'll do that at the end of the day. So, got this my Halloween bucket, which is not really what we're going to decorate for today. We've got my Halloween bucket. We've got Halloween balls. This is to cut open the pumpkin. And this is to scoop the inside of the pumpkin ready. But we haven't even made our pumpkins yet. But this is my mum's wreath. My wreath is hanging outside the door. And it says beware. And we've got some other tools. Flour. And then we got a pumpkin flashlight. Shine it. For the pumpkin. And then we also have some lights. If you can't see, they're tiny and they're quite heavy. These will turn on at night. They're little skull lights. And we've got some cobweb which are going to hang outside the door. We've got some more cobweb with spiders. Gross, I hate it. Yep, I do not want to touch that big spider. My mum even has one. I would touch it, but it freaks me out. Look. Okay, I might do the big spider at the end. Because I'm freaked out. We've got some more skull heads. Oh, we like our things. Let's touch the cobweb. Gross. We light a candle. The candle. That we're going to hang up. It says boom. 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 Okay. Wait, doesn't say that. And we get some of this. Have some of that. And we have some more of it. Yeah. We hang outside the door again. And we've got some balloons. Spiders in it. You might not be able to see, but balloons with spiders in it. But they're not going inside, they're going outside of the balloon. I'm actually really scared right now. I'm freaked out by Mum's spider. Look how big that spider is. Oh my word. This is fake color. This is what it's supposed to really look like. I don't know where. It's supposed to look like that. See, there it is at the back, but that's how it would look. Freaked out to touch that spider! And I don't know, this is a pumpkin. Again. Right, where's the other pumpkin that we have? Oh, here, see, they're just gold and bigger and taller. That's all. And that's how you stick it in, put a hand through it. The tiny hand, oh, I can't touch that. this says boo plates. I have no clue. These are, I don't know what these are, but I don't know what these kind of balloons are. I think there's one spider, I think. There's ghosts, because I'm just getting it from the information here. I don't know which is in here. I don't understand what one's in here, but we have more balloons. We have carts. Let's go into the head carts. See? Quite a lot. We have a lot. 17 cups here. We need 7 cups. So that's pretty a lot because I'm only having 7 people coming over to my house for Halloween. So that's gonna be a lot. I'm scared! It says trick or treat. And I can't touch that spider and freak out. And we got some plates, which I just... Oh, we got another one of these. Got some boo plates and boo. Then we got some of these trawlers. They're like candles. I don't know what they are. And we got a little spider, which I don't want to freak out to touch, so I'm going to pour it out. Okay, please look, because I don't want to touch this. Which is gross. Look at these big spiders. I'm scared. Just touch this. Move, because I touched it. Now we're going to decorate our whole front room. So we already got that up. Now we're finished decorating. Look at our wonderful decorations. All we have to do now is add on our pumpkins. Check out my next video to see what I make. Don't forget to like and subscribe.